Hello everyone, welcome to next sentence class. Today I am going to explain about string methods. So let's start. Here is we can see we have some string methods as capitalized. This method when used convert the first character to uppercase. And second we have islower. This method returns true if all the characters is a given string are lowercase, otherwise false. So others we have as lower as is upper. So let's do in with example in VS Code. So first of all we have some data hello old and print data dot capitalize. So let's see output. Here is we can see the first letter of hello is capital, so this is capitalized. Second we have s dot is lower. It returns true if all letters in the string are lowercase, otherwise false. So let's see output. There is it gives true because hello old is also are lowercase. If s is uppercase, then it gives to false because s is uppercase. Another we have s dot lower. This method converts all letters of the string into lowercase. So let's see hello old. There is we can see s is capital but it gives to small hello. Let's write another data hello Amrit and let's run. Here is we can see here it gives hello Amrit in lowercase. And another we have s dot upper. This method convert all letters of the string into uppercase. Let's write hiram data and let's run in terminal. It gives hiram in capital letter. Here is we can see in terminal. And another is we have s dot is upper. This method checks if all the letters in the string are uppercase. It returns true, others false. Here is we can see it gives false because it is not uppercase. If you write in uppercase hiram, then it gives true value. Here is we can see it gives true output. And another we have s dot is isalnum. So this method checks if the string contains only letters and numbers. No space or special symbol are allowed. So let's do in program. Here is we have some data and we print data that is isalnum. This says false because we have some space high and ram in between them. So let's run another time. It gives also false because in the starting point also we give some space. Let's remove space. Now I give to true output. Here is we can see. And another we have s dot isalpha. This method checks if the string contains only letters, numbers and space are not allowed. So let's print some data. There is some numbers or data. So let's print in our terminal. It gives false because in data we have numbers and characters. So in this method not allowed to digits or numbers. So let's remove and run in terminal. Now it gives to true. So here is we can see. This is for all today. We'll come in another video with others string methods. If you like the video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.